So the left side of this is all simplifying, and I actually did this before break. I don't know if this hour got to multiplication, but it is a lot alike. So we are going to do the first one. What you have to do is you have to factor the top. So remember what you're doing is you're going A, C. So AC, A is 1, C is 21, so A times C is 21. We're looking for something that is B, B is 10, so we're looking for two numbers that multiply together that gives me 21, that adds to give me 7, or 10, it's 7 and 3. So the top will be x plus 7 and x plus 3. So this is our top. Let's do our bottom.
Why is it x plus 7 and x plus 3?
Because remember when you multiply back through, you have, first of all, 7 times 3, ladies and gentlemen.
21, and then 7 plus 3 is 10, and the root of 5. Yeah.
Got it? Okay. All right. So now we'll do the bottom part. So AC is negative 14.
7 and negative 2.
And we're looking for two numbers that multiply together that gives me a negative 14, that when I add them gives me a 5. So what two numbers multiply together to give you 14 that adds together to give you 7, or gives you 5? 7 and 2. And we need it to be negative. So
AC is 7 and negative 2. Yes, Lincoln.
So our numbers are 7 and negative 2. So Lincoln, what do you think our factors then would be? Okay, what will be our factors? So with 7, is it positive or negative? Positive. So it's
plus 7 and x minus 2.
That's right.
I'm out of room, so we better be done. Is this over?
Almost.
I'm right out of room.
I didn't. Okay. So, do you see anything on the top and bottom that can cancel?
Yeah, that's 7 squared.
So this and this are the same, so we can cancel it out. So our answer, x plus 3 and x minus 2.
That's it.
On simplification, yes. Say it again. You have to factor the top and bottom, and then cancel out what's in common. Yep. Yep. All right. On the right-hand side, it's all multiplication. So before you multiply, you want to always reduce so that you don't have to. So you're working with the lowest amount. So we have here. First of all, what can we take out of 2x plus 2? A 2, yep. So you're going to pull out a 2, and we have x plus
1.
X plus 1. That's okay. Bottom, there's nothing else we can pull out, is there?
No.
What do you guys notice? This cancels, doesn't it? So now when multiplying fractions, hopefully all of you know you multiply straight across. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then we have our x. On the bottom we just have our x minus 3. Two times 3 is 6, or 2 times 3x is 6x. Okay. All right.
That's the final answer, right?
And that's our final answer. When you have your things like this, you're gonna factor them, and you're gonna pull them out, what's in common, and then if you have to, then you multiply back. All right, questions? All right, do what? Number 9. Number 9 is an easy one. Do you want me to do 10?
Yeah.
Because 9 is the same exact as this. So you're gonna pull out. You'll pull out a 2 on the top, and then you'll cross out. Yep. So number 10. All right. So we have here AC is. Anna, what's AC on the first part? 3. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply together that gives me 3, that when I add them gives me 4. 3 and 1. So I have x plus 1 and x plus 3. Bottom, what is AC? Negative 5. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply together. It gives me negative 5. That when I add them gives me a negative 4. Because look at, if you, after you have your answer, look to see. You have 5 and 1 is negative 4. And that, so negative 5 and 1 is negative 5. So you can always FOIL it back out. Okay, Katie, walk me through this one right here. So negative 14. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply together. That gives me. So we're looking for two numbers that are negative 14. That when I add them gives me a negative 5. Well, now talk to your friends. This would be a good time to ask them to help you out. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply. I'll give you one. Okay. So that means our factors then, x plus 2 and x minus 7. What about this one, the bottom? We have two numbers, so we're multiplying together. It gives me 3. That when I add them, gives me a negative 4. Negative 3, negative 1. All right, so let's go through and. All right, so what can we cancel out? Hopefully a lot more than what I see. So we have this one in here. Oh no. I was hoping to, that's not good.
Oh dang. Did it wrong, didn't we?
Well, no, I did it wrong. I made this problem up yesterday.
Oh man, that's wrong.
I wanted two more things to cancel out. I wanted this to be a plus. But I made the problem up wrong. Yep. So I'm going to actually let you guys leave it at that, because what will happen though, ladies and gentlemen, if there were two terms, let's just pretend that this was a plus. These two would cancel out. What would we do with these two then? Multiply. We'd FOIL it, right? So we're going to just cross those out just for so that we'd FOIL this out. And we'd have x squared. Inner and outer would be a negative 5x. Last would be 14 over the bottom, which will be outer is x squared. Your inner and outer is your negative 6x. and last will be a +6. So that's, well, it's FOIL. So just so you know, that's what you would have on that. But I wanted it to cross out, but the other ones are all right. But that one didn't cross it out. Say again? Which one, this? X times x is x squared. Your inner, oh, I gotcha. Yeah, because I added, didn't I? Thank you. Thank you. All right. Very good. Other than that, questions? Hopefully, most of them won't be that difficult, but. Say it again? Okay. Alrighty. So you may work on that for the rest of the hour. Make sure you're working or we will get new seats.